we go. So we just entered a trade. Went long here. Let's see our entry. 55.78. Right there. Take profit. 705. Is that it? That's interesting. Ah, there's my entry. It's a whole point off. 100 points off, rather. Let's see. Where did my... Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, come on. Don't get stopped out. Crap. Well, got stopped out. Well, that was a short trading session. Okay. Probably wouldn't have made it. Just barely if we had taken a trade there. Well, we lost our first trade, and our stop loss and trade sizes are that if we lose a trade, then we would lose our account if we made two bad trades in a row. So can't take any more trades today. Oh, I guess we could make paper trades though. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. Okay, we're getting a buy signal here. Could be breaking through right here, but we're not. Doesn't look like we're gonna break through right here, so we wouldn't take that. Yeah, broke through here. We're up here now, but yeah, we'd have to fight this 50 moving average here, which we wouldn't want to do. Oh, jeez. A slightly nicer camera. Let's replace. There. Use our nicer camera now. I have issues with this camera sometimes, though. It's like if I shake my desk at all, it's like there's a short in the cord and it just stops working. So if it freezes randomly, let me know. Okay, and it looks like we would have won that trade if we'd taken it. But yeah, I don't usually like to take trades against where our take profit has to move through any of these moving averages. It's typically not a good idea. If we're trading in our practice account, then we will practice as if it's $100,000 account. So we'll adjust our lot size. So we could probably take this at the close of this 10-minute candle. Good strong breakthrough. That's good. That's good. Yeah, we'll do it. Oh man, I really wish. So this is a green chart. This trading platform. I really wish that this was you could actually take actual trades with this, but not a feature available yet. Maybe it will be one day, who knows. Where's my phone? Move this down so we can see our take profit. Yeah, when this trade's done, I kind of want to go back and analyze the trade that we missed. Or not missed, but lost. Yeah, we took our trade long right here. This is our 10-minute chart. I just went straight down. Yeah, I was pretty iffy on it. I didn't like how. Yeah, looking at it a little more right now. We probably should just left that one alone. So we have two positions here. So one of them has our take profit, one of them does not. So when we hit our take profit on one, we'll move our stop loss up to break even. Just looking for a runner. Okay, looks like we're kind of retesting this level here. And it looks pretty rejecty off of it right now. And hopefully we'll go up and retest this right here. I need to change the name of this stream because we did not get 2.5% return on investment today. We did yesterday. There we go. Okay, it looks like we are retesting this 50 moving average on the 50. So hopefully we bounce off of that and see if we can. Yeah, who knows? I for sure wouldn't have taken this trade in our live account. It's not very often I'm gonna look at taking a trade just on the post of a 10-minute candle. But we're a little bit more relaxed when we're just practicing, just getting looks. Okay, looks like we could be reacting a bit here to this 50 moving average on my 1 minute chart. Yeah, I 100% wouldn't have taken this trade in our prop challenge account. Oh. So we're getting a possible sell signal here. Broken through this somewhat convincingly, and we definitely have room to go down. Yeah, and it would have won. That's funny. I don't know if I would have taken that one either. We got some good support right here. both of our moving averages are still pointing up. I don't think this keeps going straight down here. This probably is going to retest this 50 moving average and then start moving back down, or just make its way break through and probably aim to hit this level or this level here. But I don't think this just keeps going straight down. Why do I have 13 notifications? Oh, jeez. I wonder. Can I not change my thumbnail? Yeah, it's getting a little stuck right here. Let's see. Aha. There's my thumbnail. I wonder, something I ought to do is see if I get better results by changing this from a 10-minute chart to a 5-minute chart. I've been doing a 10-minute chart. I mean, what does a 5-minute chart look like right now? Oh. That actually makes more sense with the moving averages. I feel like a 5-minute chart is going to be a lot more popular than a 10-minute chart. Oh, why did it move my... Oh, dear. I made this into a... Oh, I don't want time frames. There we go. Okay. Messing with this level now. I mean, this is very bearish too. What did the 5-minute look like again? Yeah, it's messing with this. I wish it was possible to overlay a moving average on a different time frame on a different chart. I think you can do that on TradingView. I actually have, so this is Trade Locker. I have this on my other screen. I guess I could make that into a 5-minute chart. Probably honestly makes a little bit more sense to do that. I don't want this screen to get too crowded. If I open that up, yeah, I'd have to adjust it. That's okay. Yeah, so looks like we're taking a bounce off of this here. Although on our 5-minute chart, it could, okay, no, it's going back through. I was just gonna say maybe it's gonna go back and maybe retest this as resistance and then make its way back down, but looks like we're just bouncing off this, in any case, reacting to our 1-minute 50 moving average here a little bit, give or take. Yeah, no, that looks like a reaction. kind of like the idea of using a 5-minute chart instead of a 10-minute chart. I just haven't practiced or back tested it. Maybe I'll do that today a little bit. I'm curious. Maybe there is a way I could do that. Moving average. It's too early. Okay, we'll make this off color. Offset? Oh, interesting. Why would you... I'm not sure why you would want to offset a moving average, but it's kind of a cool feature type. That's actually kind of interesting. Triple exponential. It doesn't really seem to give you very useful information, actually. Yeah, I think best use of our time right now would actually be to do back testing and then just periodically check on our live data to see if any trade opportunities come up. Yeah, I don't think we need this. It would be kind of nice to be able to have a moving average from a different time frame, like a 5 moving average, like a 50 moving average from a 5-minute chart on your 10-minute chart. Okay, so this is actually interesting. So we closed here, kind of at our level here. We went back up, and it looks like we're kind of rejecting the idea of moving back up. And we can see over here we did react with our 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart, so maybe this does go down. Look at our 5 again. Ooh, yeah, see? Breaks through, retest, rejects. Theoretically, this keeps going down. If it does... No, we're not going to risk blowing up our account, our live account. If we miss 2 trades in a row in our prop firm challenge, then we hit our 5% max stop loss for the day and we lose our account. So we're not going to risk that, but we'll keep an eye on that. This is very bearish. If this closes below this level right here, ooh, you know what? And we're actually getting back into our below 20 range on our trend intensity index. So yeah, if this candle closes, we're going to go ahead and short it in our practice account. I don't even want to call it a practice account. It's just, I don't know, place where you can practice trades. Yeah, we'll short this. There we go. So basically we just need to make a new low. Man, we just might be wrong about everything today. Okay, let's see if we bounce off of this 50 moving average again. Okay. Looks like it is reacting to this 50 moving average again. We actually have really strong divergence here. This shot down while this is going up. Which would be a good thing if we're looking for this to make its way back down. It's actually really interesting. Okay, still reacting to this 50 moving average. So we actually almost hit our stop loss up here, but it's making a strong move back down. I'm actually curious, how would that trade that we took today look on our 5-minute chart? So right here. Interesting. We actually could have taken a look at buying right here. Which probably would have made more sense. Well, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we had our cross right here. Buy. I think we would have hit our... would have gone close at least. Definitely would have had room of without... Yeah, that probably would have been a better trade. Let's see, would that have hit our level here? So from here to here, it probably not, actually, just barely would have missed it, especially when you take into account spreads. So we'd still be in that trade if we had went long. Gosh, why is our measurement tool? Make our measurement tool blue, because why not? And we'll favorite it. Measure. And okay, right there we would have won that long trade. Yeah, I think we just lose this. This is probably going to at least come back here and retest our 50 moving average on our 10-minute chart here. Oh man, the temptation is to use both the 5 and the 10-minute chart, but I think that just overcomplicates things. Yeah, so our entry would have been right there. And we would have hit our, let's see, 52. Would have hit our take profit about right there, give or take. And we would have our runner running right now. Moved our stop loss to break even here on our second position on our runner, and we'd close it when this bends down or just until it hits our stop loss. But I think at the very least we're probably going to be moving, we're going to poke this moving average here. Or it could just be we are wrong about everything today. We pretty much have been so far, except for the trade that we didn't take just because we're already in a position. And that's the thing about this strategy, is if you don't take a trade, you're probably going to get another look. So you don't have to be too worried about not getting any more opportunities or missing opportunities, just because there's plenty of opportunities with this strategy. And again, it is possible that we still hit our take profit down here. Okay, so we would have hit our stop loss on our runner, break even there, so would have been good for a little bit there. Why are all my trend lines black? Ugh, stupid. What the heck? Yeah, definitely overall downtrend here. So it seems mildly appropriate that we could bounce off right here, although I would expect it to maybe go a little bit higher before it does that, but so what we have going for us in this trade is we are in a downtrend temporarily. I mean, moving average still thinks we're, well, we are below our 50 moving average, but 200 moving average still says pretty bullish overall, the bigger picture. So we have that going for us. Definitely have room to go down. But the top part of this channel here does break through our stop loss here. At least it does right now. And we got pretty close. Yeah, also our stop loss is below the 50 on the 5-minute chart too, so that's not very convincing. Yeah, like I said, we just lose this trade, I'm sure. Would lose this trade, rather. Well, glad we didn't take that in a live account, huh? Yeah, coming up to retest this. There it is. Now here I would expect it to actually reverse, make its way down, maybe test this 200 moving average. So for sure, if we go below our 50 here and get our trend index down under the 20s, we'll go for a short trade there. How does this look on the 5-minute? Rainbow moving average. Oh gosh. How is that useful? That just... I mean, what are the settings? Oh, you'd have to set your custom. just don't see how that's very useful. Yeah, again, temptation is to add 3 charts and go off 3 at the same time, but that just complicates things. I think I would talk myself out of too many good trades if I'm looking at too many time frames. But I do think the 5-minute chart is a lot more popular than the 10-minute chart, so I think that might be a little bit reliable when we're looking at moving averages and making decisions based off of that. So our 10-minute candle did break above the 50 moving average and close above it, but that's not super convincing, so it could still bounce back down, and that kind of looks a little bit more in line with a trend line that a lot of traders probably going to be drawing there. Jeez, why the heck? Why is it black? I don't understand. Why'd they make it black? That's actually... Come on. Understand that people use dark mode. Like... what color do we want our trend lines to be? White. Well, that just goes on forever. That's funny. This actually is a good amount of confluence right here for looking to go short. So going against this trend line and a moving average, there's probably got to be a lot of resistance right there. Man, actually not getting a lot of looks today. Okay, this is starting to look a little bendy. You know, when it gets down closer to here, this is starting to bend down a little bit, which could be a indication that it's going to start moving down. For a while, I was actually back testing where we could take a trade when this trend index breaks from a uptrend or a downtrend. It starts bending toward the middle. Could be worth looking at doing something like that again. Okay, not a lot of time left. Typically stop trading at 9 Mountain Time. Should be 11 Eastern Time. So here's what I'd be looking for to take a trade based off of this breakout. So I would want this ideally to retest this as support, and for this to come down and then move back in, and that would be my entry. It seems to be a pretty reliable way to confirm a breakout. Let's look on the 5-minute. I actually really like that it keeps my trend line here. So looking strong on the 5-minute. There's a good breakout. Yeah, so at 850, things tend to get a little crazy. Not crazy. Well, I guess I should say more at 9 o'clock. Things tend to get shaken up a little bit. But sometimes 5-10 minutes before, things can start getting a little more active. Darn it. That's not what I wanted to do. 10-minute. There we go. Okay, so this is about to post. So breaking this resistance here, if we're looking at more just general horizontal levels, it has to fight up against this as well. So that might be an opportunity for it to kind of retest and then make its way back up. And hopefully when that happens, we break down below the 80 point and break back above, and that would be our entry to go long. Oh, so this is funny. So we're going to make our move up to here. This is what I was looking for with that first trade I took that we ended up losing in my challenge account. Let's see, that was right on this candle right here. Yeah, so took a trade here looking for it to make its way back up here to this level, which it did. Or here. But yeah, definitely working to get past this level right here. And I imagine it'll probably keep going. Make its way up here. But again, there's also a possibility that we move back down to retest this trend and also the 50 moving average, because there's some good confluence there. So this break would be pretty strong if we can come back and retest. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to have the time to wait for it to do that, because we're 3.5 minutes away from being done with our trading day. But yeah, I think we were destined to lose a trade today, because we lost this one that we were looking to go long on and went down, hit our stop down here. And then we practiced a trade on our green charts here and lost that one too. And I think I would have taken that one if we hadn't lost that first one too. So just a day where we're not looking at things how we want to be. Yeah. Getting a little bit stuck at this level. Well, we'd better change the name of our live losing day. Okay, and yeah, so about, let's see, yeah, right here. So our balance is back down to 4,857. Our starting balance is 5,000, so we're down a little bit. But we're still in it. We still have a while before we are really in trouble here, and losses are just a part of trading. Okay, 1 minute till 9 o'clock. Yeah, this is stuck. Yeah, so I have it calculated to where, let's see, each losing trade loses about around a little over 3% per trade. So the idea behind that is that you have, basically you can lose 3 trades in a row, or you can lose 2 trades in a row, and then still have room to draw down a little bit for another winning trade before the third trade wins, and you're not going to lose your account. You're not going to break that 10% drawdown that a lot of prop firms use. But it also means that if we lose a trade, we can't lose 2 trades in a row in a single day. Otherwise, we break our 5% drawdown in a single day. So that's kind of the method to the madness. With the back testing I've been doing, I've been hovering around an 80% win rate. Well, not quite, but about. That's what our, in fact, I can show you. So that's what it kind of shows, but it shows 2 losses for every, I guess, 1 loss. And also, not every single winning trade is going to show 2 winning trades, because if we hit our stop loss after we move it to break even after we win the first position of the trade, then I delete that out, and so it doesn't show on here at all. So yeah, I think that would actually make this a little bit lower, so maybe a little bit higher win rate than 81. So, well, folks, that is the day. Comment your thoughts, like, subscribe, and we'll be